हेलो स्टूडेंट्स पिला माने आज आम समस्ते से तुम जो लास्ट क्लास पढ़ी थी जस्ट प्रीवियस क्लास तुम प्रूफ करने तो तार रिमेनिंग पार्टा करिया आज सेकेंडटा एटा कोस्ट केस कथीटा ध्यान दे बेसी आउ वीडियो नोनी शॉर्टकट वीडियो फटाफट सॉल्व करछे फटाफट देख तो कोसेक थीटा माइनस कॉट थीटा रो होल स्क्वायर. Okay, so that is equal to cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square, right? So finally this is equal to sin theta 1 minus cos theta the whole square. Very easy. So 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by sin theta square. So finally 1 by cos theta whole into 1 minus cos theta divided by तो sin square theta. Finally तो 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, this is 1 minus cos theta whole into 1 minus cos theta divided by so 1 minus cos square theta means also a square minus b square, a plus b whole into a minus b. So 1 minus cos theta will 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta cancel. The answer is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. I hope this is your answer. This is RHS. Clear? This is your RHS. Understood? So RHS finished. LHS start. LHS start, here LHS, okay, LHS start and RHS completed. Over, this is finished. Next class, next part, we will discuss next part.